How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Ford with a Sync 3 system and randomly your Bluetooth stopped working and you can't make any phone calls with your Android or your iPhone? So you go to Bluetooth, turn it off, turn it on, still doesn't work. You try the same thing on your phone and still not working. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to reset the system and your phone's going to start working right away. Here we go. Now this procedure will also fix other glitches in the Sync 3 system, like if your backup camera is not quite working right, or any other kind of problems with touchscreen, stuff like that. So what you want to do is basically do a soft reset of the system. So what you want to do is go down to your manual controls, press and hold the volume button, as well as the track forward button. Press and hold. Few seconds, you'll see it power down, and keep holding it until you see the Ford logo power up, and you can release. Now your system's going to reboot, and if all went well, your phone's going to start working absolutely perfect. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope it helped save you a trip to the dealer and a few bucks back in your wallet. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.